Civil engineers are going to be critical to solving some of the greatest global challenges. How do we decarbonize the infrastructure? How do we deal with rising sea levels? Much of our research tackles sustainability, development issues. And through this degree program, you'll have both the sort of technical depth and the problem-solving ability to apply yourself to many of those different challenges. Our approach is to teach the fundamentals so that you have that depth of knowledge and you can apply that to a range of different problems as they become emergent.
One of the main reasons why I chose to study at Imperial is the location. London is one of the biggest, liveliest capital cities in the world, and the opportunities that come with studying here are enormous as a student and as a working professional. Over the past couple of years, we've been involved in many different group activities, including a group design project, which got us thinking about inclusive and sustainable designs for a refugee camp in Africa. This didn't only open my eyes to the real issues faced in the world of civil engineering, but it was a great way to learn how to work effectively in a team. The academic staff here at Imperial are true experts in their own fields, people who have made global impact in the world of civil engineering, and it is truly valuable to learn from them.
There's a lot of different types of teaching that we do, from traditional style lectures to hands-on practicals in laboratories in our department. Those range from structural testing to the hydrodynamics laboratory, where we have the ability to create waves to test the stability of offshore structures. A transport lab where we're testing robotic vehicles and testing autonomous vehicle systems. We have a materials lab looking at how we design materials that are going to be what we use in the future. An environmental lab where students can do some experimental environmental engineering, looking at the chemical composition of different materials.
Students here at Imperial do work very hard, but we do also have fun. There are hundreds of different societies and sports teams you can join to meet people with similar interests to you. You get to meet so many smart and knowledgeable people who are driven to create a beautiful, successful future for themselves.
Civil engineers are creative problem solvers. They have to take a problem and look at it from different angles, from different disciplines, and sometimes those disciplines you won't have yourself, so you'll need to work with others in order to bring that into a team and solve a problem.
Everyone's so knowledgeable about different career paths, and you can also get support from the career service. Not only has this made my uni experience more enjoyable, but it's also opened my eyes to so many different career opportunities I never thought I would be able to explore.
As a graduate engineer from our program, you can go into engineering and you can go into professions that are outside of engineering. You have the skills to problem solve, to work with people with different skills and different abilities and different disciplines.
Being a student at Imperial has been life-changing. It shaped me as a person and prepared me for the future.
So you're going to get a great education. You will develop skills that you'll be able to apply in a range of different settings and professions. Ultimately, our department is committed to nurturing the change makers of today and tomorrow.